Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this presentation, I shall show you how to install the Oracle VirtualBox. So go to the following website, virtualbox.org/wiki downloads, and download the Windows host since my operating system is Windows host. Also, download the VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, then first install the VirtualBox installer. Once the installation is finished, okay, uh, you can install the extension pack. Scroll down and click the I agree. So the extension pack is also installed. So this is a very short video that shows how Oracle VirtualBox Manager can be installed along with the extension pack.